Hello everyone, welcome back to another banger video. Today we're going to be talking about the Asyncio module in Python, a library used for writing single-threaded concurrent code using coroutines and tasks. So let's get started. Asyncio is a library that allows you to write asynchronous I/O operations in Python. It's part of Python's standard library and it gives you the power to manage I/O bound tasks using an event loop. In Python, a coroutine is a special function that can pause its execution before reaching return, and it can indirectly pass control to another coroutine for some time. You can define a coroutine by using async def, or like this. We can't run coroutines directly. We need an event loop to schedule their execution. We can get an event loop using the asyncio get event loop, and then we can use the run until complete method to run the coroutine. Note that run until complete takes a future object, but it can also take a coroutine. If a coroutine is passed, it's automatically wrapped in a task. A task is a subclass of future that wraps a coroutine. A task is responsible for executing a coroutine in an event loop. When a task executes a coroutine, the coroutine becomes a running task. Here, we use the asyncio create task function to create a task that wraps our coroutine. We can run multiple coroutines using the asyncio gather function. Sure, we're spelling these right. In this example, the main coroutine schedules 3 other coroutines to run simultaneously. The asyncio run function is used to execute the main coroutine. Just make sure we didn't make any errors. Right, looks good. So that's going to be it for this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like down below, and we'll catch you in the next one.